Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over. Remove the stylus. And remove two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape covering the battery plug, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the clear tape, and lift the battery off its post to remove. Flip the unit over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the LCD module free. Gently insert the spudger and pry the camera free from the adhesive underneath. Take care not to use too much force, as the camera can easily bend or snap. Gently pry the sensor board free. Peel the camera free from the LCD module. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the module. Peel back the tape and unplug the LCD cable from the digitizer. Unseat the LCD cable from its grooves and remove the module. Replace the LCD module and wind the LCD cable back into its grooves. Plug the LCD cable into the new module. Plug the LCD cable into the digitizer. Replace the camera, and replace the sensor board. Lay the LCD module into place, and push down to secure it to the back cover. Replace the battery back onto its posts. Reapply the tape. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws in the bottom cover. And finally, replace the stylus.